In this video, I'll show you how to change channel name on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification for this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you created a channel, right, and you want to just change the name, maybe for some reasons, let's say I created this rules and regulation, or let me say I created this, okay, how to tutorials, and I want to change it for some reasons, right? So you're going to click right here. I'm going to head over to this, right? I want to change it to, it can be educational guides, right? Educational guides. So this is basically how I just changed this channel name here on my Discord server, right? So once you're done, you're gonna click on the save changes, and once I've clicked on it, it's gonna save up right here. So you can see from the how to tutorials to educational guides. So this is how you can change channel name on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please share it with us below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.